In a vast, shimmering lake, there lived a humble spoonbill named Solomon. He was not like the others, for he possessed a wisdom far beyond his years. One day, a storm swept across the lake, scattering fish and leaving the spoonbill community hungry. Solomon, seeing the struggle, decided to seek the source of the storm. He ventured far and wide, braving the wind and the rain, until he reached the mountain's peak. There, he found an ancient, wise tortoise. "Oh, honorable tortoise," Solomon greeted, "I seek your counsel, for my people are starving due to the storm. Can you tell me its cause?" The tortoise pondered for a moment before speaking. The storm is a manifestation of the lake's imbalance. The fish, once plentiful, have been overfished, leaving the lake barren. Solomon thanked the tortoise and returned to his community, carrying the wisdom he had received. He called for a gathering and shared his findings. "My friends," Solomon began, "the storm is not a curse, but a reminder of our actions. We have taken more than we should, and now we must learn to live in harmony with the lake." The spoonbills listened in silence, shocked by Solomon's words. They realized the truth in his message and pledged to change their ways. From that day forward, the spoonbills learned to fish sustainably, sharing their knowledge with others. The lake once again flourished, and the storm ceased to return. Thus, the story of the wise spoonbill serves as a reminder to us all: in every action, consider the consequences, for we are all interconnected in this vast, beautiful world.